everybody, it's Jasmine and today is day 3 of my ShopMissA series. Today I wanted to bring you guys a bold pink look. I honestly would wear this out because it's just so easy to do but looks so complex, and I've never felt more confident in a pink lip, and I think that's saying something because if you guys been here for any length of time, you guys know I don't like pink lips, but this is an exception. I have total Barbie vibes right now. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I'm trying something new with my hair today, so I blow dried it, and while it was still warm, I decided to put it in some space buns so it could just set in place. Hopefully this works. I don't know if it will, but if we have waves in the end, we have waves in the end. Today's palette of choice is the XOXO palette, which I associate with being a very romantic palette because of the purple tones, pink tones, and red tones. We're going to start off with a light tan, and we are going to apply this to our transition, and I'm also going to take this a little far out past the tail of my eyebrow because I want this to be an extended eye look. My goal for this eye look is to do a dramatic type of cut crease, so that's the reason why I'm going pretty high up with the tan shade. With the maroon shade, I'm going to go a little higher than my natural crease and just deepen up where we applied the transition tone. To apply this tone, I am using a smaller blending brush. With the dark purple in the palette, we're applying this just a little bit lower than the maroon shade just to deepen up the crease. And don't worry if it's messy right now because it'll all come together. And then to blend the top portion of this eye look, I'm taking an orange and just blending this in with a new clean blending brush. Now with my ShopMissA concealer, I'm going to go ahead and outline my entire crease. So I'm going to take this starting from the front of my eye all the way out to the outer corner. Right over that concealer, I'm just going to tap it in with my finger just so that when we apply the shimmer right on top, it's all an even base. Taking a light pink champagne from the palette, I'm going to go ahead and apply this where we applied our concealer. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So the key to making your cut creases as sharp as possible is applying the concealer on both sides of the brush prior to outlining. I just love the way that this looks, and I feel like if I did a winged liner, it just might ruin the vibe that I'm going for. So instead, I'm going to do a line across my eyelid with a maroon eyeliner, and I'm using the Shiseido Azuki Red. And then with a small pencil brush here, I'm just going to blend out this liner before it dries. For my eyelashes today, I'm using the ShopMissA lashes in the style Tracy, and I chose these ones because of the flare, and I feel like whenever I have a cut crease, I always like pairing it with a flared lash just so it emphasizes the cat eye shape. I love how these lashes are not too long and not too overbearing, but they complement the look enough. Now I think for my lower lash line, I'm going to go back into my Shiseido eyeliner, and I'm just going to do a thick line down there, focusing more on the outer corner. We're going to take that same pencil liner as we did before just to smudge it out before we apply anything else. I'm going to take some purple and I'm going to go ahead and smudge this all over my lower lash line. With these rhinestones that I got from the ShopMissA website, I'm going to use 2 different rhinestones, and I'm going to apply one in my inner corner and one in the center on my lower lash line. I'm hopping straight into blush, and I'm using their Lumi blush in the shade Ravish, which is a beautiful marbled red, and I'm using this tone just so that we can add a little bit more warmth to this look because we added so much purple. Now with their baked highlighter in the shade Cream Puff, I'm going to go ahead and really highlight my skin. I want my skin to be as glowy as possible to match my eyelid. Now with their So Smooth lipstick in the shade Bikini, I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my lips. Then with my Milani spray, I'm going to go ahead and set my skin in place. And just like that, we are done with day 3. But before I wrap up this video, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys another quick review of this palette. Now, I've already talked about all of their palettes, so if you guys do want to see a review, I will have some videos linked up above, or you can view my ShopMissA playlist. But if you guys don't want to watch those videos, I definitely have to say that the XOXO palette exceeds the Vanity palette by far as formulation is concerned. I feel like with the shades in here, you're able to build it up, and I feel like in day 1 you kind of saw that it was a little patchy, it wasn't wanting to blend, but the mattes in here are very easy to blend, easy to build up. The colors are very distinct from each other, so that makes it easier to go in different directions as far as how deep you want to go. The shimmers in this palette are exceptional. They're phenomenal. They're buttery, they're soft, they're smooth, picks up easily with the brush, picks up easily with your fingers. It's one of my favorite formulas, and I feel like if you're the type of person to love romantic, warm tones, then this is definitely the palette to go for. In general, this is going to be a palette that I 100% recommend because through and through, it's an amazing palette. The color scheme definitely flows with each other. There's a lot of lighter tones and then darker tones in here, different tones within the mattes and shimmers, so you do get variety. And as always, if you guys want to shop via my affiliate link, it's always going to be located in the description box below. It's always encouraged, it's never forced, but I thank you guys so much if you guys use it. Now, I hope you guys all enjoy this look, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 4. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts!